Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what Mistral AI is, its features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Mistral AI is a French artificial intelligence company that develops advanced large language models similar to ChatGPT. It has quickly gained popularity because it focuses on building high-performance AI models that are fast, developer-friendly, and, in some cases, open-weight. This allows developers to customize and even run certain models locally instead of relying entirely on cloud services. One of Mistral AI's biggest strengths is its range of AI models. It offers powerful models for writing, coding, document summarization, research, customer support, AI agents, and workflow automation. Some models are optimized for advanced reasoning, while others are designed to deliver faster responses using fewer computing resources. Another major advantage is its support for open-weight models. Unlike many AI platforms that only provide cloud-based access, Mistral allows developers to download and deploy some models locally. This gives businesses and developers more flexibility, greater control over their data, and improved privacy for sensitive projects. Mistral AI also provides API access, making it easy for developers to integrate AI into websites, mobile apps, chatbots, automation tools, and other software. Its API pricing is generally usage-based and is considered competitive for both small projects and enterprise applications. Some of the biggest advantages of Mistral AI include excellent performance for coding and reasoning tasks, fast response times, open-weight models, flexible deployment options, competitive API pricing, and strong customization capabilities for developers. However, there are a few drawbacks. Compared to ChatGPT, Mistral AI has a smaller ecosystem and fewer built-in integrations. Some advanced features are still evolving, and setting up open-weight models locally can be challenging for users without technical experience. If you're simply looking for an easy-to-use AI chatbot for everyday conversations, ChatGPT or Gemini may provide a more polished experience. Mistral AI offers both free and paid options. You can use its chatbot for free with certain limitations, while developers can access more advanced models through paid API plans. Businesses can also choose enterprise solutions based on their specific requirements. Overall, Mistral AI is an excellent choice for developers, startups, businesses building AI-powered applications, privacy-focused users, and anyone who wants greater flexibility and control over AI models. If your primary focus is coding, automation, or building custom AI solutions, Mistral AI is definitely worth considering. And that's it. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.